Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for another video and happy Monday. So you guys seemed to enjoy this video last week, so we're going to do another Walgreens all digital deals you can do just using your phone as long as you have a Walgreens account, and we can place all these deals for curbside pickup so you don't have to leave your car, you don't have to go into the store, which is super convenient these days. Super convenient for me being pregnant and carrying a toddler around with me everywhere. So we're going to go ahead and jump into these deals, and like I said, they're very newbie friendly, so if you are new to Walgreens, this may be the video for you to check out some of the deals valid July 17th through the 23rd. If you are new to my channel and just found me, welcome. I am so glad you are here to go over some Walgreens online curbside deals with me today. Please be sure to consider subscribing if you have not already and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. We're going to go ahead and get into some of the deals. Super easy deal if you are in need of some Palmolive dish soap. So the 20-ounce bottles are on sale for $2.49. We do have a $1 digital coupon that we can go ahead and clip and use, making the final cost $1.49. You can pay with Walgreens cash on this deal. A fairly decent amount of Ibotta rebates again this week that we can go ahead and do through curbside. So one of them being on the Compeed. So the mixed 12 count, you want to make sure you're grabbing that variety specifically. They are $9.99 online. We have a $3 store IVC coupon, which is a My Walgreens coupon. And we have a $2 manufacturer digital coupon we can go ahead and use. So that would leave you to pay $4.99 online, but when you get your receipt back for doing your curbside order, submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $5 back. That rebate is a limit of 1, which will make this completely free. Just remember, if you're wanting to put the Compeed deal into a spend booster scenario, that $3 store coupon will take away from your spend amount. So let's say you have to spend $20 in order to get $5 Walgreens cash. You want to be spending $23. And then that $3 store coupon will come off, leaving you at $20 to still earn your $5 Walgreens cash. So we have another super easy Ibotta rebate on some Rimmel eyeliner. So this Scandal Eyes waterproof eyeliner I noticed online is $4.29. I have an only for you $2 digital coupon, which just means that not all accounts may get this coupon. It is given to select accounts based off their shopping habits. So check if you have that $2 coupon. If you do, you'll pay $2.29 online, get your receipt back, and submit to Ibotta for $2 back. That rebate is a limit of 2, making it just 29 cents. You receive some high value digital coupons for some Dove products. So this Dove hand sanitizer online is $2.99 each. Grab 2 at $5.98 and clip the $4.99 off 2 digital coupon. That would make your final cost 99 cents for both bottles. I've never tried the Dove sanitizer before, so I'm really curious to try it, and I think it's a good price. Pretty similar deal with the Dove hand soap. So those are on sale for $4 each this week. Grab 2 at $8. We have a $4.79 off a 2 digital coupon. Makes the final cost for those just $3.21. Make sure you scan your receipts to fetch rewards for those Dove products, because I do believe sometimes we get additional points for Dove. A great price on the Scott toilet paper. So these are normally priced at $5 for the 12 mega roll. We have a $1.25 store digital coupon and a $1 manufacturer digital coupon. That will make the final cost just $2.75. So now we're going to get into a little spend scenario on some Nexxus products. So Nexxus products are spend $20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. I would recommend this deal online anyways, because the online prices are $11.99 each per bottle. And in store, they are significantly higher. So I would definitely prefer to do this online if you would like. So like I said, $11.99 each. Grab 2 of those at $23.98. We have an 8 off 2 digital coupon. That would bring your cost to paying $15.98 online, but earning $10 Walgreens cash makes the final cost $5.98 for both. This would also be an ideal situation to put into a spend booster to get some additional savings on Walgreens cash. You do not want to pay with Walgreens cash on this deal because we are needing to spend. We have to spend $20. You don't want to use Walgreens cash to pay because that will lower your spend amount. A great deal on Tom's of Maine children's toothpaste. They are a part of promotion for buy 2 get $5 Walgreens cash. So the kids' toothpaste online is $4.79 each. 2 of those will total us $9.58. Now there is $1 digital coupons we can use. There's a $1 digital for 1 off of Colgate or Tom's of Maine, and then I believe 1 for $1 off of any Tom's of Maine. So if that's the only ones you have, go ahead and use those. Your cost will just be 50 cents higher than this scenario. However, I had a $2.50 off a 2 only for you digital coupon. That would leave me to pay $7.08 and earn $5 Walgreens cash for buying 2. Then I'll submit my receipt over to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each bottle, making the final cost $1.08 for both. Now you can pay with Walgreens cash on this deal because we're just needing to buy a certain quantity and not spend a certain amount. So we can still pay with Walgreens cash and earn our Walgreens cash back. Last deal is a really good deal if your store carries the Zebra Z Grip pens. They are on sale, buy one get one half off, so go ahead and grab one at $2.99. Your half off item will be $1.49. No coupons, so we'll pay $4.48 online, but take your receipt and submit to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back on each pack. That is a limit of 2, making the final cost $1.48 for both. And like I said last week with those big pens, it is never too early to stock up for the school supplies. So that is just a couple of the deals that I found that we can do all digital curbside this week at Walgreens. If there's any more that I missed, please feel free to share them down in the comments below. I would love to hear them and gather some more ideas for my curbside order. Now, if you're wanting to put any of these deals into a spend booster scenario, just keep in mind those store coupons taking away from the spend amount. But all these deals are perfect, I think, to throw into a spend booster, especially the Nexxus and those Dove products. Those are high value coupons that will definitely drastically decrease your out-of-pocket costs. So that is that from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, also, if you are new to the rebate apps Ibotta, I do have that link down in my description box if you guys want to go ahead and sign up with that. Just remember, we do get receipts with curbside orders, so we are safe to submit to the rebate apps. And if you do not get your receipt, definitely ask for it because we are supposed to. So that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.